Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix self-protection failed error code 4. So first, go to your search bar and search on firewall and then go here on the Windows firewall. After here, click on this advanced settings. Now go to inbound rules and new rule, click on next. Then here, look for the game, click on browse. For example, let's go to for example, this is the game. Right, 7 days to die, but unfortunately I don't have it installed, so I'll just explain to you. So after you locate where it's located, simply click on the file. Now after that file, it will show a lot of apps and file here. Now there will be an app that is named 7 days to die, and then the logo will be the bear, that the color blue bear. Now simply select that and click on open. Select that, click on open, and then after that simply click on next. I'll just input another, for example this one. Now click on next, then click on block connection, next, next, and then name it anything you want, then hit on finish. Now you need to open the Steam before opening the game, and that should fix it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.